Okay, my husband, who is German, says it's Schnerenschneit, if I'm saying it correctly. Schnerenschneit. So I'd say about 7 or 8 years ago, I worked on this. And it's little paper cutout German clad boy and girl with hearts in between. And I even colored the boys in, I guess. But I found that my own kids weren't really interested in this because they like technology. It's less, technology is faster and less messy. You don't need all the crafting papers and scissors and such. And I don't have it on me right now, but I would use a cutting knife, a special knife to cut the paper out. Here's another example, and that too is from like 7, 8 years ago. So maybe I'll get back into that, I don't know, because I've been working on paper snowflakes. I don't have any origami paper anymore, which I really should get some of because I was using computer paper to do the snowflakes with. And you have to make a square out of the paper first. So anyway, if I had origami paper, it would just come as square pieces, big, little, different sizes. So this isn't really a tutorial to show how to make these snowflakes, but these are just ones that I had fun with. And I did look on YouTube at tutorials. One was Easy Craft, and the other, what does it say? Easy Origami by Moga. Sorry. Moga. And they basically did the paper folding of the snowflakes the same way. It's just that the first one kind of just showed folding, and the second one was more like take the ruler and pencil and make the dots and all that. So here's some more that I came up, well, I didn't really come up with. I kind of tried to follow their patterns. And then you can even try to flatten them out with putting, like, I guess a tissue paper over it and then a hot iron above, but don't touch it, just use the heat to flatten it. Just to show you, like, this is folded already, and then I drew the design, and I'll just show you quick, but you can get rid of the top, and then you just usually take a pencil and you could shade in where you want it cut, but I didn't do that. I just drew the design, but I'll cut it, see what I get. Cutting it.
I found it.
Okay. Okay. So there it is, cut, and it's ready to be unfolded. And I just find this relaxing, and I've mostly forgotten any origami that I used to do. So I'd have to go back and relearn it all. Okay, so that's that snowflake. Pretty cool. And then there's another one I was gonna do and show you. That one I did shade out a bit, a little bit more complex. I'll just finish it off and come back. Okay, I'm down to the last piece to cut, so bear with me and I'll just finish. We're in the middle of a snowstorm. If you saw my earlier video, it just keeps snowing. Had 1.5 feet by noon. My husband and I went grocery shopping early. Okay, this one is going to be opened like so. Okay, so far, hopefully this one turned out. Gotta open it one more time. Okay. I'd say that worked. So there you have it. Snowflakes. So you can, hang them up, or you can put them on a card. What else? Now you can make a paper chain out of them. Link them up one above the other to hang down or across the room.